things, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh teman-teman. Hari ini saya berada di Objek Wisata Palanta Kelok Lengkok di Kabupaten Agam, Sumatera Barat. Objek wisata ini menyuguhkan keindahan alam dan terdapat pondok-pondok kecil yang menarik sambil menikmati teh talu, lontong, dan banyak hal yang menarik lagi di Palanta ini. Nah, artinya di sini sudah nggak banyak lagi kuliner teman-teman, dan udaranya sejuk di sini. Oke, nikmati perjalanan saya di sini, dan jangan lupa nanti like, share, dan komen.
Hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Tepatnya di daerah apa nih?
Kamang, Mudiak.
Banyak wisatawan ke sini.
Alhamdulillah banyak sekarang, Kak.
Kuliner apa di sini?
Macam-macam, ayam penyet ada, ada makanannya, pecel lele kayak gitu kan, nasi goreng.
Oh, banyak di sini ya. Artinya di sini menyenangkan ya.
Ya, alhamdulillah lah.